Hi, boys and girls. We today are looking at main idea again, and today we're going to be looking at getting the scoop, as in an ice cream scoop. Isn't ice cream just delicious? And you can maybe get different scoops on top and different flavors. These are the details, but underneath it all is the cone and our main idea. So today, instead of starting with the main idea, like our table, and then finding our details, we're going to start with our details and come up with our main idea based on our details. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. First, I'm going to find an article. And I found an article in one of the epic books about volcanoes. So first I'm going to read it. Crater Lake may seem like a regular lake, but it's actually a stratovolcano. It was once a mountain called Mount Mazama. Now it is a deep, clear lake in Oregon. An explosion over 6,000 years ago blew the top off Mount Mazama. Lava, dust, and ash swept down the mountain. The mountaintop fell in, and a giant caldera was formed. Over time, the caldera, a crater filled with water, it is the deepest lake in the United States. I'm going to also add some of these other things. Caldera is formed when the top of the volcano caves in. And after the mountain collapsed, there were more eruptions. In one small cinder cone of ash and lava was formed. This cinder cone pokes out of the lake. It is called Wizard Island. And this is Crater Lake. You'll find that in Oregon. So let me show you as I go into my reading journal. And one detail is Crater Lake is a stratovolcano. Oops, no E there. And another detail is it erupted 6,000 years ago and left a caldera that filled with water. One more detail here. I'm going to go back to my story. It was once called Mount Mazama and is now the deepest lake. It was once called Mount Mazama and is now the deepest lake in the U.S. So I want to think here. What do all of these things have to do with? I know the main idea is that Crater Lake is formed from a volcano long ago. I took my details and I generalized it and I thought about, okay, it's all about Crater Lake. It's about how it's formed and it was done long ago. So as you think about today, think about what is the main idea by first looking at the details and trying to put them together to come up with your main idea that's going to hold up all your scoops of ice cream. So readers today, good luck looking for your main idea in a passage.